Hi, my name is Mr. Els and I'm here to talk to you about revision in maths for years 7 and 8 and how you can help your child. There are two sources of information that you should be directing your child to look at. The first is their exercise books. Within the exercise books there are several bits of key information that will help them. The first thing that they need to look at is their knowledge organiser. This is at the start of each chapter and looks something like this. Within this page there are keywords, the key learning and information on how to approach those steps. On the other side of the document is a learning journey. They will have tried some of these questions already, but they can revisit these questions and try them again to make sure that they understand each of the separate steps. At the end of each unit there is a test, and these are in your exercise books as well. This allows them to revisit their tests and look at what they did, what they didn't do well, so that they can focus on those particular topics. Normally your child will be given a revision list, and this will help them to focus their revision on particular topics that are likely to come up on the test. They should take particular note of these revision lists in their revision, not only looking through their exercise books but for finding out other sources. Another major source of information for your child will be to use Sparks Maths. They can access this through two ways, either using their Sparks login that they've helped set up with their password, or by using Microsoft Office and using their school email and school password. Once they've logged into Sparks, they'll be taken to their home page, which will list all the homework that they have been set and how they did at them. However, there is something else on this page that is of equal importance and is often overlooked. If they click on independent learning, they'll be able to access all the resources, all the questions, without needing for it to be set at homework, allowing them to focus their revision on topics that they particularly needed. Once they've clicked on independent learning, they'll be presented with this page, and they can either click on the topics, number, algebra and so on to actually refine their searches and find particular topics, or they can search for the topics using a topic name or a particular code if they've been given one. Either of which will still find the topic, and then they'll be able to watch the videos, try the questions and get feedback on how they've done. This is a crucial element of revision, trying things out and seeing how you're doing. Before I finish my presentation, I would just like to acknowledge there are other resources that can be used to support your child's revision. For example, BBC Bitesize has a great deal of information. You can also buy revision guides and workbooks that allow your child to work through paper copies at home. If your child likes to use social media to revise, I would just like to add a note of caution that some of the content on social media is not necessarily mathematically correct, and so might not be the best way of supporting your child's revision. Obviously, if you are helping your child revise, you'll be able to support them in making sensible choices on this matter. I hope you found this information useful, and if you do have any questions, please contact your child's teacher, as they'll be able to direct your child directly to specific resources. Thank you.